Three fraternity brothers at Northern Arizona University now facing hazing charges after a pledge was found dead at a rush party off campus. According to court documents, the 18-year-old student had to drink vodka as part of a game with other pledges. The next morning when police arrived, the male student was unresponsive and bystanders were performing CPR. Unfortunately, he did not survive, and detectives are still working to determine his cause of death. Our next guests have become advocates against hazing after their son, pictured there, Antonio Cialis, was found dead in 2019 following a frat party as a freshman at Cornell University. Antonio's parents, John Cialis and Flavia Tomasello, as well as hazing attorney David Bianchi, join me now. David, I'll begin with you. Since the year 2000, over 100 freshman males have died from fraternity hazing. Why do these preventable tragedies keep happening, David?
Well, you've got every law that could be passed has been passed. Every university and fraternity has an anti-hazing policy. They still happen because you have certain dynamics that won't go away. You have young people who are away from home for the first time. You have no adult supervision. You have lots of alcohol. You have traditions that they want to uphold, and you have peer pressure. And when you put all of that together, you have bad outcomes.
Flavia, please describe what happened to your son.
I was there for parent weekend the night of that event. So we had a beautiful dinner with Antonio. And then we stated we will meet the next day at the bookstore. Unfortunately, he never showed up. And I knew something was wrong, but I really didn't know what. So it was 11:30. He didn't come. And so I looked, and no one knew where he went, and no one could tell me, his whereabouts. And John was traveling that morning to meet us in the afternoon. So he attended a study. Then we found out later, with the help of our attorney and investigators, that and friends and people that knew a little bit about it, was that he had attended a Dirty Rush event that night that involved forced alcohol consumption and hazing rituals, which led to his death. And he was found, a day later.
And those rituals were filled with so much alcohol. I mean, a ridiculous amount that is part and parcel of so many of these rituals. John, what is your message to parents whose kids literally may be rushing right now, this week? What's your message to them?
Just be aware, talk to your kids and see what they're doing, because a lot of the fraternities do present a picture that of a camaraderie and creating new friendships for the future. And the kids have to be aware that if they're being told to do things that they're uncomfortable with, that they can say no and they can walk away from it. I know it's a very tough thing to do, but they have to be aware that some of these rituals that they are doing that have been passed on from like year to year, and it's been made normal for them at these schools, that they can say no and walk away. Yeah. And that's what we try to teach in the program too, to identify anything that doesn't seem right. If it's like a hazing process, that they should think about it, and then maybe that this is not an option. They can do better things with themselves at the school.
At Northern Arizona University, the school that we mentioned at the beginning there, issuing a statement in part saying, quote, "The safety and well-being of our students remain our highest priorities," and that fraternity has been suspended while a full investigation takes place. And it does beg the question, what is the future of the Greek system if we're losing our best and brightest like this? I was a Greek member, but I don't want this for my kids. And I'm so sad for you parents that you have to go through this. David, John, Flavia, thank you. Thank you for your time.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.